In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track movies and television shows in Notion. We'll build a simple flexible tracker that keeps your watch list, in-progress shows, and finished favorites in one place. Start by creating a new page in Notion. Inside that page, type /database to insert a full database. This will be the heart of your tracker. Next, add a few key properties, so every entry is consistent and easy to filter later. Add status as a select with options like plan to watch, watching, and finished. Add platform as a select so you can tag where it's available, such as Netflix, Prime, or HBO. Add rating as either a select or a number field to store a 5-star score. Add type as a select to mark each entry as a movie or a television show. Finally, add genre as a multi-select so you can apply multiple tags like action, drama, or comedy. Using select and multi-select keeps your data clean and makes filtering fast. With the data structure in place, set up views that make browsing fun and efficient. Create a gallery view and choose to display the page cover. When you add poster images as page covers on each item, the gallery becomes a beautiful visual library you can scan at a glance. Then create a board view grouped by status. This gives you a drag and drop workflow where you can move a title from plan to watch into watching and finally into finished, mirroring that shift from watchlist to completed. For planning ahead, add a calendar view and filter it to show release dates so only items with a date appear on the calendar. To remember exactly where you left off in a series, add a few checkbox properties dedicated to seasons or episodes. For example, create checkboxes for S1 through S5 or a set for the current season's episodes. Check them off as you go and you'll always know your progress at a glance. To capture new titles quickly, use the Notion web clipper in your browser. From a page on IMDb or Rotten Tomatoes, clip it straight into your database. Open the new entry, fill in status, platform, type, and genre. Add your rating and drop in a poster as the cover for the gallery. You now have a clean, customizable Notion system to track every movie and show from discovery to completion. Thanks for watching.